AI tools can now handle entire workflows, allowing one person to deliver results that previously required a full team. This is surprising because managing complex workflows as a solo freelancer is a significant challenge, and delivering high-quality results efficiently without a team can be nearly impossible. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use AI tools to replace an entire team and save time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use AI tools to replace an entire team and save time. Section 1. Pillar 1. Introduction to AI tools. As a freelancer, managing complex workflows without a team can be overwhelming. You have to handle multiple tasks such as project management, content creation, and design, all by yourself. This can lead to burnout and decreased productivity, ultimately affecting the quality of your work. According to recent statistics, a common 2026 AI toolkit costs $50.80/month, which is a significant investment for many freelancers. However, the annual cost of an AI toolkit for freelancers is roughly $600-960, which can be a worthwhile investment in the long run. By using AI tools, freelancers can amplify their expertise and handle entire workflows, allowing them to deliver high-quality results efficiently. Section 2. Pillar 2. Top AI tools for freelancers. One of the top AI tools for freelancers is ChatGPT, which can amplify freelancer expertise and handle entire workflows. ChatGPT Plus costs $20/month and can help freelancers with content creation, research, and project management. Another AI tool is Asana AI, which supports freelancers with complex workflows and helps them stay organized. Midjourney is an AI design tool that costs $10/month and can help freelancers create high-quality designs and graphics. By using these AI tools, freelancers can boost their productivity and efficiency, ultimately delivering high-quality results to their clients. For example, with ChatGPT, freelancers can generate high-quality content in a matter of minutes, saving them hours of time and effort. Section 3. Pillar 3. Implementing AI tools for success. To implement AI tools for success, freelancers need to start by identifying their pain points and challenges. They can then research and choose the AI tools that best fit their needs and budget. For example, if a freelancer struggles with content creation, they can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content. If a freelancer has trouble with project management, they can use Asana AI to stay organized and on track. By combining AI tools, freelancers can create a powerful workflow that helps them deliver high-quality results efficiently. Additionally, freelancers can use Midjourney to create high-quality designs and graphics, further enhancing their workflow. Section 4. Pillar 4. Overcoming common challenges. One of the common challenges freelancers face when using AI tools is the cost. Many AI tools can be expensive, especially for solo freelancers who are just starting out. However, the annual cost of an AI toolkit for freelancers is roughly $600-960, which can be a worthwhile investment in the long run. Another challenge is the learning curve, as freelancers need to learn how to use the AI tools effectively. To overcome this challenge, freelancers can start by watching tutorials and online courses that teach them how to use the AI tools. Additionally, freelancers can join online communities and forums to connect with other freelancers who are using AI tools and learn from their experiences. Section 5. Pillar 5. Real-life examples of AI tools in action. There are many real-life examples of AI tools being used by freelancers to replace an entire team. For example, a freelance writer can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content and then use Midjourney to create high-quality designs and graphics. A freelance project manager can use Asana AI to stay organized and on track, and then use ChatGPT to generate reports and updates for clients. By using AI tools, freelancers can deliver high-quality results efficiently and effectively without the need for a large team. Additionally, AI tools can help freelancers to work more efficiently, allowing them to take on more clients and projects. This can lead to increased earnings and a more successful freelance career. AI tools can help freelancers replace an entire team. ChatGPT, Asana AI, and Midjourney are top AI tools for freelancers. Combining AI tools can help freelancers deliver high-quality results efficiently. By using AI tools, freelancers can work more efficiently, deliver high-quality results, and achieve a more successful freelance career. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button. if you learned something valuable today. What's your favorite AI tool for freelancers? Share with us in the comments below.